On number 5, we're trying to solve the trig equation. And because they say they want it between 0 and 2 pi, that means that our final answer needs to be in radians. Okay, so I'm solving for sine of theta, very much like I would be solving for x. So I need to add 1 to both sides, and then divide both sides by 2. So I want sine, not sine squared. So I need to take the square root of both sides. So this will be sine of theta is equal to, now when you take the square root of both sides, you need to put a plus minus. Okay, so I can break up the radical to be square root of the top over square root of the bottom. And then the square root of 1 is just 1. And then I need to rationalize this. So I'm looking for where is sine of theta equal to plus or minus square root of 2 over 2. And sine is the y value. So here's a positive square root of 2 over 2. Here's a positive square root of 2 over 2. Here's a negative square root of 2 over 2. And here's a negative square root of 2 over 2. So these will be my 4 angles. Again, we're only solving on the first revolution. I don't care about negative angles. I don't care about large angles. Only between 0 and 2 pi. Okay, so these will be our answers.